The Mazda CX-30's infotainment system, also known as Mazda Connect, can sometimes experience issues like black screens, freezing, or unresponsiveness. These problems often stem from software bugs or app conflicts. The good news is that most issues can be resolved with a reset without needing a dealership visit. Mazda has been actively improving the system through over-the-air updates, with the current stable firmware as of October 2025 being version 85.200. This update has reduced reported resets by 40%. If you encounter problems, understanding the different types of resets is crucial. There are three main ways to reset your Mazda CX-30's infotainment system, each suited for different levels of problems. Soft Reboot, also called Quick Reset, clears temporary memory without erasing data. Turn off the ignition and press and hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This is useful for minor freezes or app crashes. Hard Reboot or Force Restart is for completely unresponsive systems. Simultaneously press and hold the volume knob and the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. This is effective for black screens, although you may need to re-enter some settings. Factory Reset or Full Wipe is a last resort that erases all user data and restores default settings. From the infotainment menu, go to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. This will erase personal data, Bluetooth pairings, and favorites. Only perform this if other resets don't work.